Alright, we're going to change a battery today in a 2007 Honda Civic key fob. It takes a Energizer 1616. We also need these little tools. You need a Phillips and a straight. And we're going to dig into it. You have a tiny little Phillips right here, and that's where we're going to start. There you go. These little tiny things, so don't lose it. You notice you have a little slot right here for your straight screwdriver. So you're just going to pry up on that little spot. You have to pry all the way around to break this seal. Once it comes off, you have this little piece that comes out. Your battery is located in this. See how it has these little tabs? You're just going to open these tabs up. Like that, just pulls right up. There's your battery. Just make sure when you install your battery, the writing goes down like that, and just repeat the process that I just showed you.